What's up, I'm Jake Smollett. Today I'm making one of my favorite things to cook and to eat, wings. I'm gonna do a nice Asian sauce to toss them in after I fry them in some cornstarch. That cornstarch gives that extra crispy fry on there, and I just love it. So I'm gonna start on seasoning up my wings. I have some granulated garlic here, a little bit of salt, and some granulated onion. Give that a stir. Make sure the wings are coated, and then I like to go in, and if you take your flats, you just cut in there, creating a hole between the bone so that all that seasoning gets in there, and it fries quicker. Don't nobody want any chicken that's undone. I want my chicken extra done. So I'm just using a simple seasoning on here, just salt, garlic, and onion, because the real flavor is gonna come from my sauce after I cook my wings. I'm gonna toss it in that delicious ginger garlic soy sauce, and it's so flavor packed. So I'm gonna keep the seasoning on the chicken a little simple. Then I have some cornstarch. I just go right into the bowl, a quick toss. And I like using cornstarch instead of flour. A lot of Japanese restaurants and Korean restaurants use cornstarch to fry their chicken, and I just love it. And if you don't want your chicken breaded at all, you can also do a naked fry. Just toss that in the sauce after. Make sure your oil is very hot before you drop your chicken in, because that's how you get that golden brown fry. Just drop them in. And make sure you don't overcrowd the pan. And I usually love to fry in a cast iron, but today I'm using a wok because it leaves a lot of room for the chicken to fry. So my wings are perfectly golden brown and beautiful. I've lined a plate with some paper towel to drain the excess oil on. All right, so for my sauce, I have some soy sauce, some sesame oil, and some apple cider vinegar. Also, I'm gonna grate in there some fresh ginger, jalapeno, and garlic. So I'll start off with my sesame oil, just get about the rest of the bottle in there. Oh, some apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna get some ginger in there. And I like to grate it all because it really sticks to the chicken when you go to toss that sauce over the fried chicken. All right, now get some garlic cloves in there. Give that a quick stir. Oh, it smells so good, that ginger and garlic. All right, now for my jalapeno, just grate about half of that in there. Okay, so now I'm ready to toss my chicken. Get a large bowl, and then put all the chicken in. Give that a stir so none of the oil settles. And this is my favorite part right here. Just drizzle all that over. That's that chicken right there. Give it a toss. Oops. You want to make sure all the chicken is coated in the sauce. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. And the hot chicken's kind of cooking that raw garlic and jalapeno. So good. All right, so now I'm gonna plate it up. And you know we don't waste no sauce around here, so I'm gonna toss that sauce on top. And I thinly sliced some jalapenos. I'm just gonna lay those on top for that extra spice. Ugh, this is absolutely beautiful right now. All right, there you have it, my ginger garlic soy wings. Gotta just get me a little piece, y'all, really quick. Dip it in the extra sauce. The most flavorful wing you will ever have. Damn, that's spicy. My eyes are watering. That's good, that's how you want it. All right, that is a delicious wing, flavor packed. I'm tasting all the flavors, the garlic, the ginger, the jalapeno. I'm gonna finish eating them all, and I'll see you next time. All for me. Get into that sauce. All right.
Good shit, everybody. Jake, you want to say like